Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and Trade Software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So we have seen the breakout that has happened from a 15,000 level, and from that particular point we are moving ahead and we are at a 15,700 right now, and it is in 3 weeks upside momentum that we have witnessed. In this week, market has improved near about by the 1.5%, and many of the other sectors also they has performed quite well. The majority of the performance we have seen from the metal sectors after a couple of weeks a declining momentum, they have started to get into the momentum, and banking stocks. Media stocks and this all stock has started to pick up its momentum. Reality stock has also did quite well. From a lackluster momentum, FMCG and pharma stayed in the sideways. IT sector has also performed on the sideways now. So now the question is that means the 15,700 level that we have come right now, we are at an all-time high level. So what can be our potential level? So as far as the level wise concerned, Nifty is into the positive zone, only positive territory. As of now, we haven't seen any kind of intraday support levels to get breached. So this is a very firm sign of a positivity, we can say. We are at an all-time high level. So at this point, we try to understand the reference point on the higher side, that what can be the probable resistance level. So for that purpose, we use a Fibonacci extensions. So let's say here I am taking the Fibonacci extensions on a little bit wider degree, and we will see it on the smaller degree as well, and try to match that, means where those values are coinciding and coming close to each other. Based on that, we can determine that this can be in a potential resistance level in a short term. So this is what the low point, we can say, the very base of this upside momentum, and thereafterwards prices has picked up its momentum on the high side here about by this point, and again we have seen the sharp declining momentum, and this is the point where we have seen the new beginning on the high side. So this is the one Fibonacci extensions that we have seen from a broader scale. Now if we see the same Fibonacci extension on the smaller scale as well, so let's say this is our bottom point, recent bottom point. Thereafterwards, the prices has picked up its momentum on the high side, and again we have seen the strip declining momentum, and from that new momentum has emerged. So this is what the Fibonacci extensions we have seen. Uh, Recently, on a smaller scale, the prices has found a mind resistance over here at the 15,650 level, but it again picked up its momentum, so it is hilting that. That means the 138.2 level is broken of a smaller scale. Now it is moving towards a 161.8. So if I squeeze the chart, so here we understand that means the smaller scales 161.8 comes near about 15,850 level, and the 100% extension of a bigger scale comes at around 15,970 level. So there is no exact confluence over here, but we can understand that this is what in a broader range that we are having on the higher side, 18,850 to 16,000 level, we can say. So this is a 150 point range that is on the higher side as a immediate resistance point. But when we are at an all-time high level and we are at a resistance level, so we pay attention on the whether my support level is getting breached or not, because in a strong upside momentum the resistance are on the weaker note. So based on this, it gives us in a certain kind of understanding that means 15,850 to 16,000 level can be the immediate resistance level. And again, the 16,000 being a round figure level, it has its a psychological barrier as well. So this is what an immediate resistance, the point that we are seeing, and market is still, it will continue to move on the higher side. There is a certain kind of positive momentum is there. After seeing the reactions from the higher side, once we need to see that means what kind of a support level it is getting created, and once that support levels is getting breached, then only we can understand that means prices are finding some kind of reactions on the high side. Otherwise, view remains on the positive side in the range of 15,850 to 19,000 level. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.